Children, in this video we are going to learn about chemical properties of ammonia. First property, action of heat. Action of heat. So ammonia, when heated above 500 degrees Celsius, it decomposed into nitrogen and hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst like nickel, iron, etc. Almost complete dissociation occurs. So on balancing, here 2NH3, here 3H2. Second property, reaction with air or oxygen. Ammonia does not burn in air but burns freely in free oxygen and burning with yellowish flame to give nitrogen and steam. That is, ammonia burns with air forming nitrogen and steam. It is a reversible reaction. So on balancing, here 4, here 3O2, here N2 plus 6H2. It is a reversible reaction. But in the presence of a catalyst like platinum, ammonia burning with air, it is also a reversible reaction. In the presence of a catalyst platinum, we are getting nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is manufactured, and this process is known as Ostwald process. And this process is known as Ostwald process. Very important reaction. Next, reducing property. Ammonia acts as a reducing agent. It reduces metal oxides to metals. For example, lead oxide, PbO, in the presence of ammonia, lead oxide converted to lead plus N2 plus H2O. So on balancing, 3H2O, here 3PbO. Next, fourth property, reaction with acids. When treated with acids, for example, ammonia plus HCl, hydrogen chloride forming ammonium chloride. Next, ammonia with sulfuric acid forming ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4. Next property, reaction with chlorine and chlorides. Chlorine and chlorides. So first, with the chlorine, ammonia with the chlorine forming N2 plus HCl and balancing with excess ammonia, 3 chlorine, 2 plus 6 HCl. Now this HCl with excess ammonia forming ammonium chloride, 6NH4Cl. Next, with excess, this is with excess of ammonia, we are getting ammonium chloride, end product. Now with excess of chlorine, that is NH3 plus Cl2 giving NCl2, nitrogen trichloride, NCl3, nitrogen trichloride, which is an explosive substance with the HCl. Now this HCl with the excess ammonia giving NH4Cl. Next, formation of amides and nitrites. Ammonia treated with the sodium forming sodamide, NaNH2 plus H2. Ammonia reacts with the magnesium forming Mg3N2, magnesium nitride, and hydrogen gases liberated. Next, with the metallic salt. With the metallic salt. Here, ammonia reacts with metallic salts to give metal hydroxides or forming complexes. Metal hydroxides in case of iron, here iron and copper reacts. For iron, hydroxides are formed. For copper, complexes or coordination compounds. For example, iron chloride with ammonium hydroxide forming FeOH thrice iron hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. This is given in ionic form in your book, that is Fe3 plus 3 ammonium ion giving in the presence of 3 OH minus FeOH thrice plus 3 NH4 plus ions. So iron hydroxide is formed. Now next copper ion Ce2 plus with ammonia molecule forming a complex Cu NH3 2 plus tetramine copper 2 ion. Tetramine copper 2 ion. Tetramine copper 2 ion. Next, formation of amines. Ammonia forms ammoniated compounds by ion dipole attraction. For example, CaCl2 8NH3. In this, the negative end of ammonia dipole, it is attracted to Ca2 plus. That is called ion dipole attraction. It also acts as a ligand and form coordination compounds such as cobalt, NH3, 6, 3 plus, Ag, NH3, NH3 twice plus such a coordination compounds. So ammonia acts as a ligand here. Ligand means electron donors. In the bracket, central metal atom ligand, central metal atom ligand. Here ammonia acts as a ligand. So when excess ammonia is added to aqueous copper sulfate solution, a deep blue color compound CuNH3 2 plus is formed. Next, structure of ammonia. Ammonia molecule is the nitrogen. Consider nitrogen having one lone pair, having 3 hydrogen atoms, and the bond angle between this is 107 degree. The bond distance of this is 1.016 Armstrong. If it is in picometer, means 101.6 picometer. So nitrogen having one lone pair. So one lone pair and 3 bond pairs. One bond pair, one bond pair, one bond pair. With the one lone pair of electron and 3 bond pair of electrons, it forms a pyramidal shape. But it seems to be a tetrahedral shape only. But due to one lone pair and 3 bond pair, due to bond pair lone pair repulsion, it got a pyramidal shape with a bond angle of 107 degree.